Hello people and welcome back to IdiotDashCam channel. Since we've noticed that you guys like longer duration episodes, we prepared something special for you. In the next 5 days or so, you will watch only longer duration content. Make sure to write us down in the comments if you would like us to continue like that, or to get back to shorter videos. Enjoy this one. This driver drove onto the sidewalk and hit a pole that was just replaced last week from another driver. Truck driver was not careful enough as he was reversing in the parking lot, and as a result, he hit another parked vehicle. At one point in this clip, the driver in front of the camera is about to abruptly stop in the middle of the road. Guys, never do this.
Oh my God!
Put down the phone! Ouch! Thanks, Grandpa. Uh-huh. Yeah. Next dive. Oh dear. Uh-oh. Big excitement in Amherst. Get out of the way, stupid! Get out of the way! Gee. Stupid. Are you stupid? Somebody gonna run the red here? Anybody? Want to be? Yep, there you go. You'll be featured on YouTube. Shut up, you I-beams. Oh, hi. How you doing? Hope and pray. These lonely tears will watch the stop signs, oh yeah.
Truck driver caught a crash aftermath on his camera, and the scenes are crazy. Check it out.
There's something behind the truck. It is really going. I think it was a car or a pickup. Oh my God, it was a truck. It was a Peterbilt. And caution, no shit. Oh, I can feel the heat. Damn.
There was a traffic holdup for some reason, a bit further up the road, and the camera understood why. It was an overloaded truck, and he was driving under the speed limit. But that's not all. Stay tuned to find out.
Wow, look at that. Um,
Look, you can't think about what the results are going to be. Right now, you just got to do the right.
okay, Presto. Do you even look? Do you even look? Get off your phone. Get off your phone. Get off your phone. Hey, jackass. Get off your phone.
Who is it for?
What's your name?
No, who is it for?
No, what's your name? That is not how it works.
That's exactly how
no,
it works.
it's not.
Yes, it
Who is
is.
No.
it for?
You should know who it's for.
I know who it's for.
Who the is it for?
Who is your driver?
Who is it for?
I will not tell you.
It should tell you who
No,
it's for.
I know who it's
fucking
for.
Weirdo. Who is it for?
How about I wait 5 minutes if you won't tell me your name and I cancel the ride because I don't care.
How about
That
you're
is
a
not
fucking
how it
weirdo
works.
if you won't tell me who
This
it's
is
for.
not the Say My Name, honey. Go ahead, cancel.
You, if you're not gonna tell me the real weird, you should tell me who's it for because
No,
you're a young
because
girl.
guess what? Guess what? I only get a name. You got my license plate.
Yeah.
Check my license plate. Does it match?
Uber or not?
I am an Uber.
Okay. How about
Get the way.
how about you cancel the ride and go get
somebody else because I think they're just gonna come with us. Okay? Thank you. Have a good
That's,
night.
I gotta wait until the
No, it's-
time
it's
runs
good.
out.
It's good. Just well, how about you go park down there? Okay?
I don't have to park down there. My scheduled
Okay,
pickup
then roll up your window
is
and
right
stop
here.
talking, please. It's not helpful. Thank you. Have a good night.
Weirdos.
Gotta get it off the lean. Save video.
Okay, creating with Nexar.
You got it? You need more?
Yeah, let me get one more.
don't take traffic rules and speed limit into consideration, you look like this driver here. Reckless driver was wilding on the road, but boy oh boy was he in for a surprise. A police officer was in waiting and he noticed the driver speeding. You can already guess what happened from there on. This driver honked at a grey Volvo who sat at the green light, and unfortunately a truck driver thought it was meant for him, and he said some mean words.
I was doing the Volkswagen. I was shooting at the Volkswagen.
This driver used the shoulder of the road to try and escape the congested traffic. Needless to say, karma came around the corner to bite him. This pedestrian ran across the road without even bothering to look whether it's safe first, and unfortunately, he got hit by a car.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
When you want to act like you're the law on the road, and then you get pulled over by an actual law enforcer. Priceless.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another episode on IdiotDashCam channel. Hopefully, you enjoyed watching this one together with us. Feel free to write us down in the comments what you think about this channel and what we can improve on. While you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Until the next episode, drive safe and keep your eyes on the road.